Hey guys, you know one of the roles I have in our team is that I'm also a technical support for our users in chat. And boy, does CANVID really help make the troubleshooting process a lot more efficient. I'm going to teach you how you can generate GIFs you can send to end users online. Remember, this isn't a full guide on CANVID's features, but for that, I will leave a link in the description. So here we have someone in our chat asking where in the VideoCom Presenter app can he choose the app language. Now, one of the most important rules in technical support or customer service in general is do not assume they know what we know. So in general, you need to be very detailed in providing troubleshooting steps for your users. I know it can be very tempting to take shortcuts, but it's best to guide them from the beginning, especially if you can discern that the user isn't a very techie. So, instead of sending a paragraph's worth of text or a series of photos, I can just send him a GIF to quickly show him a visual of everything he needs to know. So let's run CANVID. For situations where you're showing applications with drop-down menus, I recommend choosing Display instead of Window. This is because drop-down menus are usually rendered as separate windows, which means in many cases, these menus might not appear in your recording. So the best choice would be Display. Okay, moving on. Since we're sending the user a GIF, then there's no need to use your microphone or webcam. So let's keep them off this time. Now let's record. So let's navigate the menus, leading the cursor to the right direction so it looks good and less confusing for our end users to follow. Okay, done. So we're now in the editor where we can make some changes to the video we recorded. Now, this being a very short and simple step-by-step GIF, we'll just have to make things simple yet informative and easy to follow. The first thing I would do is to simplify its general look by sliding the padding all the way to the left. Of course, it's a matter of preference, like, for example, if you have a company wallpaper you'd like to use as a background for your videos and GIFs, then by all means go ahead. You can do that by adding your custom image here, okay? Now with that out of the way, let's review the clip and see what CANVID Smart Zoom have for us. There. That's actually very decent. But of course, one of the most awesome features of the app is that you have full control of how you'd want the zooms to be in your videos. In my case, although automatic smart zooming works most of the time, I really like taking control of where my zooms go, so I choose manual. So as you can see in this video, I'm making adjustments to the zoom level, zoom length, where the zooming goes. There you go. Let's see again. Perfect. I like it. And don't forget to customize the cursor style and size to your liking. I'd like to make this a little bigger. There you go. And lastly, let's cut portions of the video we don't need. So let's use the cut feature of the timeline to remove unnecessary parts of the GIF. Alright. Okay, that's it. We're ready to export. Hit the button. Let's put a proper title. There you go. Alright. Now remember, this guide focuses on exporting our video as a GIF, so let's do just that. Now if you notice, the options have changed a bit. Starting with the frame rate, we have 10, 15, and 30. The higher the number, the smoother the GIF will be, but at the cost of higher file size. It's up to you to decide which. For me, I'll go with 15 for balance. Now for the resolution, we could go as high as 1080p, but for this guide, let's use 720p, so we're right there in the middle. We can't change the GIF quality, so we're stuck with high quality, which is good, so it's always clear. Now, of course, it's your choice if you want to export it as an MP4 or if you want to create a share link instead of a GIF. But for more info on that, I will leave another link in the description. So let's double check everything. Okay, let's hit export to file. Done. Let's take a quick look. Oh, cool. Now I can get back to the user and just drag the GIF in the chat. Let's leave a nice message. And that's it. See, it's very easy to make high-quality GIFs using CANVID for technical support. I hope you learned from this video. Leave your questions in the comments or messages in CANVID's support chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CANVID on our social media pages. See ya!